Hi, in this video I am showing you how to add a watermark to your MS Word document. A watermark is a pen design or text that appears behind your content. So let's start it. First of all, open your Word document. So this is my Word document and I want to write a watermark on this page. So subscribe button. So I'm going to show you. So let's start. First of all, go to your home page, then click on page layout. So you can see here the watermark option in your page background option. So click on watermark, then you can see here the option. So this type confidential, do not copy, do not copy. So if you want to this, so click on it and you can see do not copy watermark are written here. So if you want to edit this, so click on it and go to customize custom watermark. So click on it and you can wait here and write the do not copy to your text. So change text with subscribe, SUBSCRIB. Okay, then click on horizontally or diagonal. So you can see here I am clicking diagonal. So click on apply and you can see subscribe button are written in watermark and click on close. So this is the method how to write a watermark in your Word document. So if you want to create a image watermark, so next video is coming on this topic. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to watch more tutorial on this topic, so go to our playlist and watch them.